Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be diving into ByteDance Seed, which is the AI video generator that's topping the charts in China. It is free, full feature, and could challenge every big name in the AI video space. So first of all, let's understand what is ByteDance Seed. So it is a brand new tool from ByteDance that lets you turn your text prompts into the full video scenes complete with the talking avatars, lip syncing, and realistic expressions. All you do is paste your script, pick your avatar and visual style, and hit the generate button. Now, what makes it stand out is that right now it is free and unlimited, while in the early rollout. There is no watermark, there is no export limits, and it supports multiple languages and HD video output. For creators in China, it is already being called a serious rival to the Synthesia, Heijin, and other paid services. Early tests also show the avatar lip syncing is smooth, expressions are natural, and the scene transitions feel cinematic. Because it is ByteDance, integration with their ecosystem means the potential seamless use in the TikTok, CapCut, and other apps. At this stage, it is ideal for the content creators, educators, and small brands wanting high quality video without paying. But it is still new, so features like custom voice cloning and deep editing might arrive later. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.